Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll explain ReplyRush's broadcast feature. If you want to reach multiple users on Instagram at once with offers, product launches, announcements, or promotional messages, then this feature is perfect for you. Instead of sending DMs manually, the broadcast feature saves you a lot of time and makes your communication more professional. When you open the broadcast section, you can see a complete list of all the broadcasts you have created so far. Now, to create a new broadcast, simply click on the Add Broadcast button. First, give your broadcast a name. This name is only for your reference, so you can easily identify the broadcast in the future. Now, you can select the message type according to your requirements. ReplyRush provides multiple template options, such as media template, text message, media attachment, button template, post share, product template. For this example, we'll use the media template. Now, I'll select the media template. First, I'll add the direct URL of the product and then add a button. When you paste a direct product link, ReplyRush automatically fetches the product image and headline, so you don't have to add everything manually. And if you want to create a custom template, simply add a link and upload an image of your choice, or replace the existing image. This allows you to fully customize the template according to your brand. You can add a maximum of 10 media cards in a single broadcast, allowing users to swipe through and explore multiple products or offers at once. Once the setup is complete, you'll see 3 options at the bottom. Click Send Now to instantly send your broadcast to users. With Save as Draft, you can save the broadcast and edit it later, whenever needed. And if you want to send the message on a specific date and time in the future, click Schedule Now. Then select your preferred date and time and click Confirm Schedule. That's it. Your broadcast will automatically be sent at the selected time. After creating or sending the broadcast, you can return to the dashboard and track its complete performance. You can see how many users received the message, how many people viewed it, how many people clicked the button, and if any message was not delivered, you can also see the failure reason here. Here, you can monitor important details for each broadcast, such as status, scheduled time, sent time, recipients, delivered count, seen count, click count, and failure reason, all in one place. This makes it easy to instantly understand the performance of each campaign. If you have multiple broadcasts, the status filter at the top makes things much easier. You can filter and instantly view draft, scheduled, processing, sent, completed, failed, or canceled broadcasts separately. This saves you time when searching for a specific broadcast. Now, you can also see several useful action buttons next to each broadcast. With Quick Send, you can instantly send a draft broadcast. The Edit option allows you to make changes to your broadcast. If you no longer need a broadcast, you can simply delete it. And if you want to stop a scheduled broadcast, you can use the Cancel option. ReplyRush's broadcast feature helps you automate bulk DMs, share product promotions, and offers instantly run scheduled campaigns, improve customer engagement, track campaign performance. And most importantly, it helps you save a significant amount of time spent on manual messaging. So, if you want to automate your Instagram marketing, ReplyRush's broadcast feature can make your workflow faster, simpler, and more professional. Thanks for watching.